In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add or delete saved browser passwords on your Chromebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your browser and select the three-dotted icon up at the top right, and then select Passwords and Autofill, and select where it says Password Manager. If you want to add new passwords, you can select the Add button up here at the top. This is Add New Password, and then you copy and paste the URL or domain in here, and then you would type in your username, password, and any notes for that site as well, and you would select Save. If you wanted to remove passwords for a site, you just would select it from the list here, enter in your computer password, and you can select Delete, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.